Hello everyone, this is AC Tech TV and in this video we are going to unbox Realme X3 and have a look at Realme X3. This is the box in which Realme X3 comes with. It says X3 Superzoom at the front. It is a flagship level phone. At back there are specification highlights. It says Realme X3 comes with Snapdragon 855 plus chip, 120Hz refresh rate display, 64 megapixel quad camera setup at the back, and 32 MP and 8 megapixel front camera. It is 12GB and 256GB variant. Let me unbox this and have a look at the Realme X3. In the box we get TPU case, some paperwork, SIM card tool, USB Type-C cable with 30-watt fast charger. This is the handset itself. Let's remove the cover and take a look at the handset. At the bottom we have speakers and we also have USB Type-C charging port for charging. It comes with two colors, Arctic white and glacier blue. Power button, which is also a fingerprint scanner, is mounted at sides. Volume buttons are also at the sides. It is a plastic finish we are getting. We have a noise cancellation microphone at the top. At the back there is a quad camera setup and LED flashlight. The glacier blue variant color looks fantastic and well designed phone, and I personally like this design. The primary camera is 64 megapixel with aperture of f1.8. It also has 8 megapixel periscope lens for that 60x super zoom and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens for ultra wide shots, and it also has 2 megapixel macro lens for macro shots. There is an LED flashlight at the sides of the camera. In the front there is a 32 megapixel camera and 8 megapixel camera. Let me set up the device and have a look at the handset itself. The Realme X3 Super Zoom has IPS LCD 6.6-inch display with the resolution of 1080 x 2400 and with the refresh rate of 120Hz. It is powered by Snapdragon 855 plus chip with Adreno 640 GPU. When it comes to gaming, there should be no problem as Snapdragon 855 plus chip is one of the powerful chips we are getting with smartphones nowadays. It also has 8GB plus 128GB storage variant. There is also a normal Realme X3 which has no super zoom option, and it has two variants, 6GB 128GB and 8GB 128GB variant. The fingerprint scanner is very fast. As you can see, you can unlock the device with very high speed. It also has 4200 mAh battery and it comes with 30-watt fast charger. Realme says it could get up to 50% charge within 15 minutes. The display experience looks so smooth as it has 128Hz displays. The Antutu score for Realme X3 is 5,5361. Let me try PUBG Mobile and see how it performs. The max setting for PUBG here is HDR Extreme setting. Thanks for watching this video. If you end up liking this video, consider subscribing and press the bell icon for notification.